Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Scott with Western Material Handling. Today we are here to test drive stock number D21137. Excellent operating 2000 Crown. This is a WS2000-40TT model. It's a 4,000 pound walk behind stacker. This unit is equipped with the desirable 160 inch triple stage mast. This unit does have side shift carriage, 42 inch power forks, load backrest. This guy's going to take it all the way up for us. There's the side shift action. There we go. This unit just had the 24 volt battery reconditioned. It's equipped with a 110 volt onboard charger. As you can see, very high up in the sky. Has had recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. Ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.